This is Poppy. Poppy is a 3-year-old neutered domestic short hair. He was brought to the Humane Society because his owners could not afford to take care of him anymore. He is litter box trained, good with cats, and good with kids. If you want to meet Poppy, come down to Kitty City. This is Socks. Socks is an 8-year-old spayed domestic medium hair. She was brought to the Humane Society because someone in her previous family was allergic to her. She is litter box trained, good with cats, good with dogs, and good with kids. She's very affectionate, loves to cuddle and be held. She's also microchipped. If you want to meet Socks, come down to Kitty City. This is Illy. Illy is a 10-year-old spayed Siamese mix. She was brought to the Humane Society because her owners lost their home. She is litter box trained. She lived with a cat in her previous home and they got along great. She's good with dogs and best with older kids. If you want to meet Illy, come down to Kitty City. This is Sam. Sam is an 8-year-old neutered domestic long hair. He was brought to the Humane Society because his owners could not afford him any longer. He is housebroken, good with cats, good with dogs, and good with kids. He does have a long coat, so he will need regular grooming. If you want to meet Sam, come down to Kitty City.